Okay. Can we conclude that it is a rhombus, a rectangle, or a square? Well, okay, I mean, doesn't take even the most, even the advanced kids aren't required to be able to figure out that it's not a square because we're not getting 90-degree angles, and it's not a rectangle for the same reason. So let's see if it's a rhombus. Well, we know that opposite angles are congruent in a parallelogram. And we can just look at it and say, well, in these, you can see two triangles here, hopefully, right? This triangle and this triangle. Yeah? Well, we know that that red angle is going to be that, so we have an opposite angles congruent, so that makes it a parallelogram, but how does that help us? Well, we know that in a rhombus, you bisect the opposite angles. And are we bisecting the opposite angles? Well, let's see. That and that are both 53, that and that are both 53, so they must be bisected, and so therefore we can say, yes, we can conclude it as a rhombus. Yes, we can conclude it is a rhombus because the diagonal bisects the angles at its endpoints. I think that's good enough.